In this activity, we will demonstrate the light travels in a straight line and how you can trace its path. For this activity, we need mirror, laser pointer, and talcum powder. We will switch off the light. Switch on the laser beam and dust the talcum powder in the path of the light. As you can see, the beam of light travels in a straight line and you can trace the path of light. If you use the mirror, you can also trace the incident ray and the reflected ray of light. So in this activity you can see how you can trace the path of light.